Let's read, kids. Part 1. Let's start with basic words. Sun, sun. Moon, moon. Star, star. Ball, ball. Bag, bag. Pencil, pencil. Shoes, shoes. Hat, hat. Toys, toys. Table, table. Door, door. Blackboard, blackboard. Chair, chair. Basket, basket. Towel, towel. Mobile phones, mobile phones. Paper, paper. Stone, stone. Red, red. Blue, blue. Kite, kite. Flower, flower. Box, box. Scissors, scissors. Electric fan, electric fan. Spoon, spoon. Cup, cup. Fork, fork. Candle, candle. Tree, tree. Book, book. Slippers, slippers. Stove, stove. Balloon, balloon. Window, window. Bicycle, bicycle. Car, car. House, house. School, school. Farm, farm. Market, market. Street, street. River, river. Mall, mall. Pond, pond. Room, room. Store, store. Library, library. Mountain, mountain. Sea, sea. Bakery, bakery. Restaurant, restaurant. Hills, hills.